She had just finished wrapping gifts and was in the mood for some holiday fun. She decided to bake cookies, but not just any cookies. These were special. She added a hint of peppermint and a dash of cinnamon, which filled the house with a delightful smell. As she was decorating the cookies, her neighbor Jake knocked on her door. He was the cute guy from across the street, and Sarah's heart skipped a beat. She opened the door, flour on her cheek, and a sprinkle of sugar in her hair. "Hey, want to help me taste these cookies?" she asked playfully. Jake chuckled and stepped inside. They started munching on the cookies, and Sarah couldn't help but notice how his eyes sparkled in the twinkling Christmas lights. They chatted, laughed, and soon they were covered in flour, looking like a couple of holiday elves. Just as they were about to share a cookie, Sarah leaned in and accidentally knocked over the milk. It spilled everywhere. They both burst into laughter, and in that messy moment, she realized that sometimes the best Christmas stories are the ones that happen unexpectedly.